Mahakumbh 2025, one of the largest religious gatherings in human history, concludes on Wednesday in Prayagraj on the occasion of Mahashivratri. The event, which began on January 13th and spanned 45 days, witnessed an unprecedented 65 crore pilgrims taking a dip in the sacred Ganga river, making it the most attended Mahakumbh ever. Pilgrims from across India and around the globe had gathered on the banks of sacred Ganga to seek blessings and purification. Also, around 400 tons of waste was collected on a daily basis from the Sangam area in Prayagraj by 1,000 vehicles. This was done to keep the area clean during the Mahakumbh. Trash skimmers used to clear 10 to 15 tons of waste daily from the Sangam. According to the Uttar Pradesh government, by Wednesday noon, a total of 64.77 crore devotees had arrived in Prayagraj for the religious gathering.
मेरा अनुमान है कि उत्तर प्रदेश की अकेली अर्थव्यवस्था को महाकुंभ प्रयागराज के माध्यम से 3 लाख करोड़ रुपए की नई बढ़ोतरी होने जा रही है.
Mahakumbh 2025 is an extraordinary event that occurs once every 144 years due to a rare planetary alignment involving 4 celestial bodies. It holds greater significance than the regular Kumbh Mela, Ardh Kumbh or Purna Kumbh, making it once in a lifetime spiritual experience. Unlike the Kumbh Mela, which occurs every 12 years at one of 4 sacred sites, Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain or Nashik, this Mahakumbh is the most sacred gathering, drawing millions of pilgrims from across the globe. Prayagraj, the holy city, has witnessed a record-breaking turnout, surpassing previous attendance figures. In 2019, 24 crore devotees attended the Ardh Kumbh, a fraction of this year's attendance. Apart from the Mahakumbh, looking at the religious pilgrimages of 2024, Ayodhya emerged as the most visited spiritual destination with a staggering 16 crore devotees seeking the divine blessings of Sri Ram. In comparison, Mecca saw 1.40 crore pilgrims, Ajmer Sharif 73 lakh visitors and Vatican City 80 lakhs. The Kumbh Mela's origins trace back to the Rig Veda, one of Hinduism's oldest scriptures. The term Kumbh refers to a pitcher containing the elixir of immortality which surfaced during the Samudra Manthan. According to the legend, drops of this nectar fell at 4 locations: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nashik and Ujjain, making them the sacred sites of the Kumbh Mela. Mahakumbh 2025 is not only a religious spectacle but also an economic powerhouse. Entrepreneurs from diverse sectors have seized rupees 2 lakh crore business opportunity according to the Confederation of All India Traders. In 2013, the government earned rupees 12,000 crore against an expenditure of rupees 1,017 crore. By 2019, revenue had surged to rupees 1.2 lakh crore with expenses reaching rupees 2,112 crores. For Mahakumbh 2025, the government allocated rupees 7,500 crores, expecting a staggering return of rupees 2 lakh crore. This makes it one of the most economically significant religious gatherings in history, drawing global attention and investments. However, Mahakumbh 2025 also witnessed a few tragic incidents. A stampede in the early hours of January 29 in the Sangam area resulted in the deaths of at least 30 people and left 60 others injured when lakhs of pilgrims had gathered to take a holy dip on Mauni Amavasya, one of the most auspicious days in the Hindu calendar, leading to the overcrowding and chaos. Additionally, the festival saw multiple fire incidents and several road accidents involving devotees traveling to and from the event. As Mahakumbh 2025 concludes, it leaves behind a lasting spiritual, cultural and economic impact. While it stands as a testament to India's religious heritage, the tragedies serve as a reminder of the challenges associated with organizing an event of such immense scale.